strong enamel pen door latch. As you can see from the first image, there was formerly a small latch that was insufficient in keeping out skunks and raccoons from a chicken pen. The larger and longer latch I welded is far superior and better than common large latches that you will find in hardware stores costing double the one I made. Now, looking at the freshly welded latch image, notice there is not much involved, but you still have to take into account the horizontal spacing for fastening into both a door and door post. The only measurements I performed were the horizontal spacing and the width of the wood of the door and of the post. The length of the vertical component I made as long as the piece of rod I purchased, prior estimated by the height of the door. The downward pegs were made to be slightly longer than the rectangular plates and were beveled for ease of entering the holes. The rod is 9/16 inches and tubes 5/8 inches. You have to insert one of the plates into position, the one near the handle, in advance of other welding beneath, and also for attaching the little stub which I thought would be full in not pulling out too far. The vertical rod attached to the handle was made to be longer than the latching side so it would not come out of the lower plate and tube assembly. It took me about an hour to do, working at a moderate pace. I had in my head what I was to do and without a sketch, but you do as you feel is needed. Anyone slightly skilled in welding should be able to pull this off.